Hi guys, in this video we'll look at these SAT functions. Okay, all right, let's look at the first one. It says if f of x is equal to x plus 1 close brackets to the power of x, what is the value of f of 1 plus f of 2 plus f of 3? Okay, now for functions for instance is always written in the form f of x is equal to something. Okay, maybe 2x plus 1 or something of that nature. Now f of x is also equal to y, right? Now what it means is that y value is determined by the input x. All right, so simply put, function is a machine that accepts some form of value as input and also gives output of y, right? Okay, to solve this question, what it means is this. For f of 1, anywhere we see x here, we impute the value of 1. Okay, so f of 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 to the x, and 1 plus 1 to the x, and x should also be 1. All right, so this will become 2 to the 1. Then f of 3 is equal to 3 plus 1 raised to the power of 3, and this is equals to 3 plus 1 is 4, then 4 to the power of 3. Then for f of 2, okay, f of 2 is equal to 2 plus 1 to the power of 2. So this one gives 2, this one gives 64, and this one is equal to 3 squared, which is 9. Okay, so when we add this together, this is 66, then this is 75. Okay, so the answer here is D. Then for the second one, f of 0 is equals to 2 open bracket 0 plus 4, and this is equal to 2 times 0 is 0, 0 plus 4 is 4. Then for f of 2 first, we'll have 2 open bracket 2 plus 4, and this is 4 plus 4 is 8. Then f of 5 is equal to 2 open bracket 5 plus 4. This is 2 times 5 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. So when you add this together, this is 22 plus 4, 26. All right, then for the quiz, find f of 5 minus f of 2 when f of s is equals to x plus 7. Put your answer in the comment section below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.